And that is a tough question. And there's no, one of the guys I was talking to tonight, I said 2 or 3 weeks from now I can tell you what the right answer was. But today I still have to keep somewhat optimistic and realize that I still have fields that look perfectly beautiful in the morning. And it wasn't until 2 o'clock in the afternoon things started to look a little tough again. That tells me there's still hope. The chance that some place around here had an inch of rain last night or yesterday afternoon, that tells me there's still hope. Now if it doesn't rain, it doesn't rain. It can't do anything. That's what happens sometimes. But what can a fungicide do? You'll say, well, there's no disease out there. Well, I can find disease. This came from this field right out here. There's rust out here. There's a few fields around where there is a lot of rust. Not very many, but a few. So there is some disease. If we start getting dew at night, we start getting a little moisture, the diseases will pick up. But what probably is more important than disease control when using a product like Headline today? It's the other aspects. We call it a fungicide, but Dan talks about Belo's data and over in Illinois, and one of those categories, what did he call that, Dan? Growth regulators? One of the categories that he has is called growth regulators. Well, guess what? Strobilurin chemistry, the Headline, does affect plants other than disease. And the big one is it buffers that respiration. So when you get hot at night, it doesn't burn up those sugars quite as high as it would under the non-treated area. What can that do for you today? When you're already drought stressed, you got heat. That can be huge.